I'm going to share how you can save time and clean faster without lowering your standards. Running a B&B can feel like living inside a tumble dryer. Guests out, guests in, towels breed overnight, and somehow the kitchen looks worse after breakfast than before. You love hosting. You love the guests. You do not love scrubbing the loo at 7 a.m. with toast crumbs in your hair. If that sounds familiar, you're in the right place. Right now, many B&B owners are stuck in the overwhelm era. Too much to do, not enough time. Cleaning sits right at the center of it all. You can't ignore it, you can't rush it, and you definitely can't wish it away. The good news? You don't need to clean harder. You need to clean smarter. I share deeper systems like these on the Beds, Breakfast, and Business podcast and the Beds, Breakfast, and Business YouTube channel. But today, let's focus on practical cleaning hacks that you can use this week. And stay with me. There's a simple habit near the end that'll save more time than any spray ever will. But I'm curious, before we start, what part of cleaning drains you the most right now? Let me know in the comments. Create a morning routine that doesn't drain you. Mornings are your power hours, if you use them well. After breakfast, many owners try to do everything: dishes, rooms, laundry, emails. That's not productivity. That's punishment. Here's a better approach. We teach in the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. The 3-zone reset. Zone 1, kitchen. Zone 2, guest rooms. Zone 3, common areas and light admin. Each day, one zone gets extra attention. The others get tidy and move on. Does that mean that something's wait a day? Yes. Does it stop you feeling chased by a mop? Yes. You're not skipping work, you're pacing it. Use one clean caddy, not a treasure hunt. Ever start cleaning a room and realize the spray is downstairs, the cloth is missing, and the toilet cleaner vanished in 2019? That's not cleaning. That's cardio. A rolling cleaning cart changes everything. One kit. Grab it, no excuses. Stock it with color-coded microfiber cloths. One quality multi-purpose cleaner. Vinegar mix for mirrors. Toilet cleaner. Spare bin liners. Room to room, no backtracking. You wouldn't cook breakfast without ingredients nearby. Why clean without tools? Clean in 10-minute sprints. Yes, really. Long cleaning sessions zap energy. Short bursts build momentum. Try a 10-minute blitz. 10 minutes to strip and remake the bed. 10 minutes to reset the bathroom. 10 minutes to vacuum and refresh shared spaces. Set a timer. Move fast. Stop when it rings. Will everything be perfect? No. Will it be clean enough and leave you upright? Absolutely. This method works especially well for solo owners, and it's straight from Module 3 of the Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course. Fix laundry before it owns you. Laundry is the guest that never checks out. The trick is to stop treating it as one big job. Instead, run laundry loops. First load right after breakfast. Fold or swap out loads during room turnovers. Final load finished by mid-afternoon. No piles, no panic, just flow. And if you can outsource ironing, do it. There's no medal for pressing pillowcases at midnight. Bin the products you don't need. If your cupboard looks like a cleaning shop exploded, you're wasting time deciding what to use. Most B&Bs need 2 or 3 good products. That's it. Multi-purpose concentrated covers, surfaces, grease, general disinfecting. Less clutter means faster cleaning and fewer, which bottle is this? Moments. One owner cut their cleaning time by nearly a third just by simplifying their supplies. Use visual checklists that work until they disappear. Instead, create laminated room cards with dry erase pens. Bed checked, bins emptied, towels replaced, mirror wiped, tick as you go, wipe clean for the next day. They're gold if you have seasonal help. You manage standards, not people hovering over shoulders. Do a 5-minute night before reset. Now here's the habit I teased earlier, and it's a big one. Every evening, do a quick tomorrow check. Laundry sorted, keys where they belong. Breakfast prep started. It's like laying out school clothes the night before, except you're the pupil, the teacher, and the principal. 5 minutes at night saves you 30 in the morning. That's easy math. Do you clean solo, with help, or a mix? What's the hardest bit to manage? Let me know in the comments. Here are your key takeaways. Rotate cleaning zones. Use one rolling caddy. Clean in short sprints. Run a daily laundry loop. Simplify your products. A spotless B&B doesn't require superhuman effort. It needs systems that protect your time and energy. These cleaning hacks won't just save minutes, they'll reclaim calm. They reduce decision fatigue and help you show up for guests without running on fumes. If you want step-by-step systems like this, Build Your B&B from Dream to Doors Open course walks you through real-world operations without fluff. For your next reading, I recommend the Beds, Breakfast, and Business post on What Are Bed and Breakfast's Operating Costs? Episode 5. You can find the post on the Beds, Breakfast, and Business website. Don't forget, subscribe to the podcast and check out the YouTube channel. If these tips helped, feel free to buy us a coffee. You've got this, and your mop deserves a break.